How to add a catalog on WhatsApp Business. Are you guys facing issues to add a catalog on WhatsApp Business? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. To add a catalog on WhatsApp Business, first of all, open WhatsApp Business application on your mobile device. Once you open the app, log in into your account with your registered email and password. As soon as you get logged in, now just simply tap on your profile icon. After you click on it, scroll down. Now, just simply tap on this products and manage icon. You are looking to add catalog, right? Tap on it. Here you can add product or service by clicking add product or service, upload images, add a name, description and price for each item. You can also include a link or product code if needed. After filling in the details, tap save. Repeat this process for each product or service you want to showcase in a catalog. Once a catalog is set up, your customer can browse your product directly within WhatsApp, making it easier to promote and sell your offerings. With these steps, you can smoothly create and manage a professional catalog on WhatsApp Business. That's it guys, that's how you're going to add catalog on your WhatsApp Business. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.